I want to give you guys a job advice, especially for those of you who are like still in like your final or pre-final year of college and basically almost graduated and stuff, right? Because I've been there, and one of my first jobs ever paid me more than 2 lakhs a month, and you would be shocked to see how I was able to get that opportunity. And I think I'm very confident about being able to replicate it if I had to this day, right? And so basically everyone just likes to follow this traditional path in which you study DSA, you study anything, apply to companies and everything. Now why don't you follow this route of just targeting a very niche, small, specific company? Now what I mean by that is just look around yourself, look at something like not as something as big as Discord, let's say. Let's look smaller, right? So just go to maybe Steam or something if you play games, and look at some of these small companies that you would think makes, I don't know, like 10k 20k a month, dollars of course, and just offer them your help to it, like not in a very chat GPT or AI kind of way, in which there's enums and everything. Hey, I'll unleash your tech help. Don't be that guy. Just be very organic. Reach out to the founders, product manager, whoever you think would be the best option in that specific case, and offer them your help and be enthusiastic about it. Now the second reason why I'm making this video is also because I get I get several of these intern applications and stuff, because I personally I'm founder of a software company as well. What doesn't help me is when I know that the pitch is always, hey, help me out, I need a job. I feel like the pitch is got to be, you first off, you look into the whole product, look at it properly, and then you have to pitch in a way where it sounds like you want to help the person. Let's say if it's like, I don't know, Notion, right? Again, I'm just taking Notion as an example because it's easy. I think Notion is too big for what I'm trying to say, but again, just taking it as an example, let's say Notion was a smaller company, right? I would first look into Notion, everything it has to offer, right? And something I can improve there, let's say improve or change or bug fix as a software person, right? Again, I'm talking about this whole perspective as a software engineer kind of way. This can work for other things too, but yes. So talk about that specific feature you can add, or a specific thing you can fix or improve, and just show your enthusiasm towards the product. Like as a founder, I would any day want to hire someone who who has more enthusiasm about my product rather than someone needing help. So for example, me as founder of VidAI, if I rather get a job application, let's say someone tries to reach out to me on Instagram and they're like, VidAI has this issue which can be improved, right? Here's how I would improve it. Like I would just see, I've been trying to see what you're trying to improve there. Here's how I would improve it, and you can just pay me $700 a month. I'm just trying to be an intern, just trying to help, and I'm really enthusiastic about your product. This kind of a pitch would 100% would be like, I don't know, 7 times better than something that's like very general. They help me out. 7 is too low. I would say it's like 50 times better, right? So just wanted to share this, because I talk to students from college and everything all the time, and they ask me how to get a job in this market and everything. Again, I cannot promise this is gonna work, but if I were you, if I had to do a job, this is what I would do. And I have already done this. Again, I've already done this with the Canadian company, and everything I've had done before that point, it did not add up to helping me for that certain case, right? So that's something I would do. And yep, it is cold as hell here in Times Square. It's like minus 16 degrees Celsius. It feels like that, it says. And awesome, people are having a great time here. It's like almost 2, I think 3 a.m. here. And yes, so yeah, that would be it. And I would just walk to the hotel now. Yep, I am now walking to my hotel. Hope this video was helpful to you. Do make sure to comment or something if you need any further thing or whatever you can take out of this, I hate walking to the same group of people again and again, man. I'm just, looping around Times Square, and that's something that is happening unintentionally. It's just awkward at times. So I'm just gonna cross the street real quick. Just gonna wait for the signal to turn. But yeah, I'm just gonna end this video right now, and hopefully you can take something out of it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.